In 3 days, the WCoin airdrop will be happening. Now, of course, this is not going to be the listing because they've not yet confirmed or spread any news about listing, but we know they'll be doing something with BitGet for sure. But in this video, basically, we're just going to run through the tasks for the airdrop whitelist. Now, this may be very important, so you guys just have to check this out. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kediri, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. So we don't jinx it at all. We are already expecting another dust from WCoin. But in the season of so many dusts, yeah, I mean, the cryptocurrency market is starting to do very well. Market has started picking back up. We're starting to see green candles here and there. And of course, it's happening that many Telegram projects have started preparing to list. More and more dust coming to our doorsteps. But of course, I'm just saying dust because I do not want to jinx anything. Of course, we are hoping for the best, but at the same time, expecting the worst. But anyways, today we get to talk about WCoin, and which is what I'm going to put you guys to right away. Let's get right into it. So, of course, as you guys can see, it says WCoin listing date confirmed. Now, what I said previously in the first part of the video may just not correlate with this one at all. Because if you guys are looking at it, it says listing date confirmed to be 29th of April. We've not yet gotten any official info about the listing. We know it will list on BitGet, 100%, I'm sure. I'm very sure. But then it could actually happen to be just smooth like that, and listing would occur on the 29th, even before the token generation event. Crazy, really crazy. But anyways, let's go into the app and let's see what we've got. This is probably the more reason why it is very important you guys do all of this checklist, because there will be no time after token generation, after the airdrop before listing to probably happen all in the same time. It says W Lottery is live. We're not participating in that. WAI is also going on. I always check WAI. Try my best to claim as much as I can claim. We have the WCoin airdrop conditions here. So all I did was click this gift box in the center. Nothing hard at all. Connect your wallet, very important. 50 completed tasks, also very important. And this one has a note to it. It says the more tasks you complete, the higher your chance of getting into the whitelist. Very important. So this means that some people that have gotten all the way to this level may still fail out of the whitelist. That is insane. Very insane. You have to have around 10,000 taps, 100 WAI balance, 3 W skins, and 20 opened W chests. Now, there's also another very important information here. WGalaxy is coming back. And then if you guys look at the WGalaxy, which came back for a short while, it gives you 100% unlock on TGE. So if you have the WGalaxy, I do not think you need to worry about some of this tasks because you're already whitelisted already. I think that is the key. You're whitelisted already because it says 100% unlock on TGE. Get full access to tokens at TGE launch, with Galaxy Mates receiving theirs first. So this might be very insane, guys. It's crazy because people that had the WGalaxy might be the ones to get their tokens first to also trade in the market first. Because the way it's looking, TGE and listing might actually occur very simultaneously on the same day or a day before. And then people with WGalaxy will get the priority to get their tokens first. Now, once again, I need to say this. I need to be saying this in every video I shoot now. Guys, I am just making these things for educational purposes only. I am not advising you to put your money into these things. I will put mine into it because I am trying to invest in the project. But at the same time, as I'm putting it into it, I am already taking defeat because I am not expecting the improved ROI on what I put into it. It would be a mistake if you think that these things are secured. There are many secured investments out there. There's spots, there's launch pools, there's stakings. These are much more secured. Even though the profit you get from these things are little, maybe another day we're going to talk about this. much more secured and less volatile ways of investing your money into cryptocurrency, for example, these are much more secure. This ones here, do not put your hard-earned cash there. Do not put cash that you're not expecting to lose into these things. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So as you guys can see, next one is 3 W skins, 20 open W chest. So I mean, these are the criteria. I think you can try to fix this ones. You can try to do all of this tasks so that you will be on the whitelist for the airdrop. If you already have a WGalaxy, I think you can chill already. You do not I think you can chill, okay? I'm not saying that for certain, but I think you can relax. Where do you find the W skins? Now, if you go all the way to boost, you're going to see W skins and W styles. You have styles and skins. W treasures is over here. You can get 20 of them. It's loading very hard right now. 3 days to go. So I think loads of people are already on the app currently. So 20 keys will give you 20 of those cosmic chests. And then to get 100 keys, you pay 600 on. To get 10, you pay 70 stars. So you can get 20 keys easily and open 20 chests. That is for people that have not completed this 20 open W chest. Okay, so guys, that is basically everything I've got to share in this video. See you guys in the next one. Try to complete the airdrop conditions so that you're going to be on the whitelist for the TGE listing and airdrop. So of course, if you have any questions, put in the comment section. I'll be waiting to reply right away. Have a wonderful weekend. See you in the next one. Peace.